Hey y'all, in today's video I will be reviewing Outre Perfect Hairline in the style Aurabel 28 inch, and I got it in a color 1B. Off camera, I applied my even lace tint in the color medium brown to the lace. Also for this unit, I did go in and pluck the hairline for a more natural look. First thing I'm doing is cutting the ear tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. Then I'm going to cut my lace into 3 sections and work on each section separately, starting with that middle section. I'm going in with my Eben Firm Hold Sensitive Spray to lay my lace down. For a stronger hold, I'm applying 2 layers of that Eben spray, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on a medium heat setting and blow dry the spray until it is tacky enough for me to lay my lace down. Then I'm going to do that same process to the other 2 sections of the lace. For a stronger hold and a melted look, I'm going in with that same adhesive spray, and I'm applying the thin layer of that spray across the hairline. I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and I'm blow drying on top of my elastic band for about 5 minutes for a more melted lace look. Now it's time to cut the lace. I'm going in with my scissors and I'm cutting the lace in a zigzag motion. And I like cutting this way because it gives the lace a very natural look as opposed to just cutting the lace straight across. And when it comes to cutting the lace, you want to cut as close to the hairline as possible. I'm using alcohol to remove the extra residue that was left on my lace and my skin. I'm going back in with that same Eben Firm Hold spray to relay the areas that did not fully glue down the first time. I'm using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15 to match the lace with my skin tone. And I really love this product because it's lightweight and it really meshes with my skin tone very well. For the style today, I'm doing a middle part, and I love how deep the middle part run. I believe it's a 6-inch deep parting space, and I love that because it gives the wig more of a natural look. Now to flatten my wig, I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and my brush. And I'm going over the top of my wig with the brush to flatten down the foundation of this wig. Now it's time to pull the baby hairs out, and I'm gonna pull out a very thin layer of baby hairs because I wanna go for a very light baby hair type of look. With that being said, I'm going in with my tweezers to pluck the baby hairs and give it more of a thinner baby hair look. I'm using my edge flat iron to curl the baby hairs. Then I'm going in with my Got To Be gel in the black tube to style my baby hairs. To get the top of my wig even flatter, I'm going in with my hot comb on the lowest heat setting. When hot combing, you also want to make sure you're getting the back of your head and not missing any spots because that is also very important. Now it's time to brush these curls out and detangle the hair. And with synthetic wigs, I'm always going to start from the bottom and then work my way up so that I don't run into any tangles or knots while I'm brushing the hair out. Lastly, I'm using the even wig knots in the color medium beige to enhance my parting space. So here we have the final outcome of the wig, and I love the end results. My favorite thing about this unit is definitely the curls. I love how loose the curls are at the top and then how dramatic they get at the bottom. The curls definitely give off this nice wand curl look. The hair is a nice texture, and I would say it is pretty soft, but you do want to be careful once you get towards the bottom, given the fact that it is a long synthetic wig and it has curls towards the bottom. It's so easy for this type of wig to get tangled. Another thing that I like about this unit is definitely the deep parting space and the actual lace itself. I'm honestly never disappointed when it comes to Outre Perfect Hairline collection because I feel like the lace always looks natural. I also feel like this unit gives off neat, sleek, classy type of vibes. Thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all let me know how y'all like the unit and stay tuned for my next video.